Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Peter. I'm a retired maritime trainer and assessor. These days I'm the captain of a rescue vessel and I conduct private tutoring sessions. And as an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communications, I conduct marine radio licence exams. Thanks for joining me today. In this short video, I want to run through the 131 short range operator certificate of proficiency exam questions with the answers. So you'll find these questions even on the web. You can get them on the IMC site, but of course they're not going to give you the answers. But this is the bank of questions that they use in all of their exams. Now the final exam only consists of 25 questions, but it's like any exam. You don't know which questions you're going to get in any particular exam. So this is the whole bank of questions. Now I don't want to take a long time with the video, so I'll run through fairly quickly. But being a video, you can stop at any time or you can come back and watch it again if you need to. Just to let you know, though, that's one of our specialties, the marine radio licenses, as well as coastal navigation. And I do maritime tutoring for candidates for their Coxswain qualification, master qualification, and also boat licenses, etc. If you want, you'll find my profile on our webpage at truenorthmarine.com.au. With a marine radio license, so we have been doing it for a very, very long time. Even pre-COVID, we were doing things online, and our records are very good. We've got no record of anybody not passing the exam. In fact, not even passing the exam on the first attempt. So we give you a guarantee there. If you need your marine radio license, go to our website, truenorthmarine.com.au, and we guarantee follow our steps that we've got in place, and you will pass the license on the first time. So let's get started with the 131 questions from the Short Range Operator Certificate of Proficiency or VHF License Exam. In question 1, the answer is D. In question 2, the answer is D. In question 3, the answer is C. In question 4, the answer is A. In question 5, the answer is D. In question 6, the answer is A. In question 7, the answer is B. In question 8, the answer is C. Question 9, the answer is A. In question 10, the answer is A. In question 11, the answer is D. In question 12, the answer is B. In question 13, the answer is A. In question 14, the answer is B. In question 15, the answer is D. Question 16, the answer is C. In question 17, the answer is A. In question 18, the answer is B. In question 19, the answer is C. In question 20, the answer is A. In question 21, the answer is A. In question 22, the answer is C. In question 23, the answer is C. In question 24, The answer is C. In question 25, the answer is C. In question 26, the answer is B. In question 27, the answer is C. In question 28, the answer is B. In question 29, the answer is D. In question 30, the answer is B. In question 31, the answer is D. In question 32, the answer is B. In question 33, the answer is A. In question 34, the answer is D. In question 35, the answer is A. In question 36, the answer is C. In question 37, the answer is C. In question 38, the answer is C. In question 39, the answer is C. In question 40, the answer is A. In question 41, the answer is C. In question 42, the answer is D. In question 43, the answer is B. In question 44, the answer is C. In question 45, the answer is C. In question 46, the answer is B. In question 47, the answer is C. In question 48, the answer is D. In question 49, the answer is D. In question 50, the answer is A. In question 51, the answer is D. In question 52, the answer is A. In question 53, the answer is C. In question 54, the answer is C. In question 55, the answer is A. In question 56, the answer is A. In question 57, the answer is B. In question 58, the answer is C. In question 59, the answer is B. In question 60, the answer is D. In question 61, the answer is A. In question 62, the answer is D. In question 63, the answer is D. In question 64, the answer is C. In question 65, the answer is A. In question 66, the answer is A. In question 67, the answer is D. In question 68, the answer is A. In question 69,
The answer is C. In question 70, the answer is D. In question 71, the answer is A. In question 72, the answer is C. In question 73, the answer is D. In question 74, the answer is C. In question 75, the answer is B. In question 76, the answer is B. In question 77, the answer is D. In question 78, the answer is A. In question 79, the answer is B. In question 80, the answer is D. In question 81, the answer is A. In question 82, the answer is C. In question 83, the answer is D. In question 84, the answer is C. In question 85, the answer is D. In question 86, the answer is A. In question 87, the answer is A. In question 88, the answer is D. Question 89, the answer is D. In question 90, the answer is B. Question 91, the answer is D. In question 92, the answer is C. In question 93, the answer is D. In question 94, the answer is A. In question 95, the answer is C. In question 96, the answer is C. In question 97, the answer is B. In question 98, the answer is B. In question 99, the answer is A. And in question 100, the answer is A. Question 101, answer is C. Question 102, the answer is C. Question 103, the answer is C. Question 104, the answer is C. Question 105, the answer is B. Question 106, the answer is C. Question 107, the answer is D. Question 108, the answer is B. Question 109, the answer is A. Question 110, the answer is C. Question 111, the answer is D. Question 112, the answer is A. Question 113, the answer is D. Question 114, the answer is D. Question 115, the answer is C. Question 116, the answer is C. Question 117, the answer is A. Question 118, the answer is A. Question 119, the answer is A. Question 120, the answer is C. Question 121, the answer is C. Question 122, the answer is C. Question 123, the answer is D. Question 124, the answer is C. Question 125, the answer is B. Question 126, the answer is A. Question 127, the answer is C. Question 128, the answer is D. Question 129, the answer is B. Question 130, the answer is A. And the last question, 131, the answer is A. So there you have it, the complete set of 131 questions that will be used in an exam for the short range radio license, SROCP. That's the bank of questions. Of course, you're only going to get 25 in the final exam, but it could be any one of those. So if you want to go back and look at the video again, by all means, or just stop it and pause as you go through on any particular questions that you're not too sure on and read the answers.